Hello, everyone. This is Khushi from RVCE, and I'm going to explain the Apple redistribution into boxes, question number 3074 on LeetCode. As you can see, the question, we are supposed to find the minimum number of boxes we need to select to redistribute these end packs of apples with the product. So, I'll explain how the examples work. So over here, as you can see, I've pasted the inputs. So we are given the apple, the number of apples and the capacity of each boxes. So we have to use the minimum number of boxes. So here, for instance, let me just draw one of the box. Uh, so this is the box. So first, let me tell you, we'll just total the number of apples. So it's here 1 plus 3 plus 2, which is 6. So total number of apples are 6. So we need to figure out how many are the minimum number of boxes we require to fill. So you can see there are boxes of capacity 4, 3, 1, 5, and 2. So first we'll use the fifth one, the one which can have maximum of 5 apples because it holds the largest number. So we put 5 apples in this box. So we are left with one more. And so we can't leave that one apple remaining. So we'll make one more box, which can be of capacity anything because one can fit in any of the remaining. So here, so the minimum number of boxes required will be 2. So the output should be 2. Now, in case of if I scroll and go a little low, uh, then yeah. So in the second test case where we've gotten 5, 5, and 5 apples, again we need to fill the boxes are of various capacities 2, 4, 2, and 7. So now the total number of apples are 15. So we need to find out how many boxes, minimum number of boxes we use. So first we make a box which we'll use the seventh number. So here we put 7. So are we still left with apples? Yes, we are left with 8 apples. So we take another box. So we should find the box with the second largest capacity here. So which is 4. Okay, we do 4. Is 15 satisfied? No, not yet. So we take another box. So now we are left with two boxes, both of 2 size. So again, we'll put 2 over here. So how many are we done with? Here we are done with 13. So are we done yet? No. So again, we'll use one more box at 2. So now this is adding up to 15. So how many number of these boxes are there? These are 4. So as you can see, we get the output 4 as expected. So as you can see the question, the examples you've given the inputs which I've copied and I've explained how the output comes. So we can use various algorithms to sort it and get the output. So I'll show in Python the basic codes. So as you can see, we can use the sort. So this is the code. I'll attach it in the description as well. So you can see how the code works. So we are using sort in the first kind of code. So we will return j and then the time complexity in this case will be more. But in case of heap, we will have a lesser time complexity. But as a beginner, I would suggest you can use sort. Then you can come to heap. So any doubts, you can please let me know. Thank you.
Coding Club.